The state saw another record spike of coronavirus for a single day, and Central Oregon saw its first death from the pandemic. The Oregon Health Authority reported 389 new cases statewide today. There were 5 here in Deschutes County, 8 were in Jefferson County, and there were 3 new cases in Crook County. There were 6 deaths today, including the first presumed coronavirus-related death in Central Oregon, a 63-year-old Crook County woman who officials say was showing only a few minimal symptoms the day before she died. Max Goldwasser has the details.
We had checked in with her day before yesterday. She seemed fine, and then yesterday we got a report from our local law enforcement indicating that she had passed.
That's Vicki Ryan, Crook County's Emergency Preparedness Coordinator, speaking on the first presumed coronavirus-related death in Central Oregon. Ryan said the 63-year-old Crook County woman recently visited a second home in California. That's where she was exposed to 4 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Ryan said the woman had no underlying medical conditions and self-isolated when she returned to Central Oregon, and she seemed to be doing well on Tuesday.
We had actually thought that she was into recovery with her symptoms.
One day later, her death came as a shock to some, especially Patrick Young, her husband of 39 years. That's according to a public post shared Thursday by the Outdoor Writers Association of California. It reads in part, "It is with the greatest sorry and disbelief that I have to announce that my wife of 39 years passed away last night after being exposed to the COVID-19 virus. My son Jimmy, a Prineville police officer, went to the house to check on her since she wasn't answering her phone and found her in a recliner in the TV room. I talked to a Crook County public health nurse who talked to Linda yesterday morning, and she said that Linda didn't appear to be showing really bad symptoms, so we're all shocked by her passing." News Channel 21 reached out to the family but has not heard back. Crook County Sheriff's deputies are investigating her passing since it was an unattended death. Meanwhile, her coronavirus case still classified as presumptive. Crook County health officials await lab results and expect to have them Friday. Until then, Ryan has a message to the Crook County community.
I think that this may be a real awakening for Crook County because we have had such a low case count at this point. There may have been a false sense of security, and people just need to recognize that the virus is still out there. It's still going strong. There's no sign of slowing, and we are starting to see more and more cases popping up.
This death announced the same day the Oregon Health Authority reported a record 389 new cases across the state. That includes 16 in Central Oregon, 3 in Crook County. Max Goldwasser, News Channel 21.